What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 8. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to change the lock screen and the wallpaper on the iPhone 8. If you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody that is looking for this information. So the first thing is you guys can see that my background or the wallpaper, the lock screen in this case, is the default ocean photo, and is the same one here, the beach with the ocean. For the wallpaper. And the way to do that, what we're going to want to do is start off by going to settings. Once you are in settings, go ahead and scroll down till you see this wallpaper. Go ahead and select that. And once you're here, choose a wallpaper. We're going to select that. And here are a few options. The top ones up here are the ones that are default. And then you can check, select from your camera roll or anything down here, one of your customized photos. So just for this purpose, I'm going to go ahead and I'll just quickly run through the difference between the dynamics, the stills, and the live. So the dynamic, once you select it, you can see that it does move ever so slightly. It's just kind of like a generic shape. The stuff's kind of fading, going in and out, moving around. So there's that. The stills, when you select a still, you can select it to be in still or in perspective. So the still, it doesn't move when you rotate your device. In perspective, as you rotate, you can see that there's a little bit of movement on that with that moon. So I'm going to select cancel on that one. And then with the live one, what the live ones do is if you press on the screen and hold it here, it'll just demonstrate it'll actually move around. Should be just like a live movement, slow live movement. But you could also set it from the live. You can set it to a still or a perspective to give it that same effect. Press on the screen. And there we go, finally got it. But it's just a slow movement of what looks like could be fog, could be paint, that sort of thing. So to set it, all you have to do, let's just go ahead, set it as a still. So if you were to set a photo from your gallery, it most likely will either be a still or a perspective. So I'm going to set it as a still. So I'm going to hit set. And here it gives us the option to set as a lock screen, set as the home screen, or set as both. So I'm just going to go ahead, set this as the home screen. So now that it showed me that it changed, as you guys can see, it has changed. As far as the lock screen goes, it still stayed the same. So if you want to change that as well, same thing, go into settings, from settings, find your photos, find the wallpaper, go down here to the photos, and then we could set anything else. Let's just say we want to set this one. Go ahead and set it, and we'll set it as the lock screen, and then that's been set. So that hasn't changed, and that is the lock screen that we have set now. So that's how you change your wallpaper and your lock screen on the iPhone 8. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys know anybody that's looking for this information, once again, please share it with them. And go ahead and check out that playlist for other tutorials on the iPhone 8. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.